Okay, you could go in. There is an actual monster. I can't help you, Lex. Just go search around. Lex. Maze. I think. You can't go in there yet. I don't know. No. Let's close the doors behind us, though. Okay, it might not be the monster. Was there something in there? Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm not telling you. Sorry. No. There's a book. I know, but we have to check this floor first. Why, when you come out, close the door. There's a book. It just says a letter. So when you... They just have letters in them. Mama has one too. When you guys have all the books, try to piece them together. Now, where is Lex and Evergreen?
What is this?
Run, Lex, run!
Why is the monster this? Ow. Why is the monster this?
Oh, Evergreen's just leaving.
Help me.
We're trying.
Help me.
This is A.
Help me.
Samaya has the A.
So I'm not.
Oh, she gave it to me.
So Emma has to eat the monster too.
No! Go on.
Downstairs.
Oh, yeah, let's go downstairs, Kai. Maybe. Oh. Ah! Oh!
She can't keep it to herself.
He's coming, though. Now he's close.
Get it, though, Shadow.
Ah!
Don't let it into the room.
There's nothing in the bathroom. Where are you, Lex?
Getting chased by the monsters. You guys didn't save me by. What does it say?
Have an eye.
I found another book.
What does it say?
A. I think Lex's.
Shadow left me alone, if it's.
Also, check in the chest. In the rooms.
I was hoping to stone it.
Wait, I got two more.
Yeah.
This one's an uppercase F.
Ow. Shadow.
You'll respawn on the roof. Here.
They killed me. I can't believe my own son killed me. Yeah.
Give him to Green.
Okay, I'm up there. I'm going downstairs.
Ooh, Green.
How are you guys?
We're downstairs. Wait, but if it got Lex, where is it going now? Probably coming towards us.
Now saw me.
Somebody has to go out. It saw you?
Yes. Help me, Shadow.
We have to go get legs.
I don't want to.
You have to.
Yeah, you guys.
Okay, I think we're checking the first floor still.
You guys on the first floor?
Yeah. Check the bathroom.
Ow.
I have a feeling there's something in here. I don't think there's something in the bathroom.
Save me. Oh, is this big head monster chasing me?
You gotta try to avoid it. Did you guys already go in that one?
Yeah.
No, please, please.
Did you find anything?
Monster, please.
A book.
Okay.
Really, you
Oh.
guys.
We're on floor number 2.
Oh, now I see where.
What's in here?
No.
Oh. That's the thing killing you. Kai, you gotta come downstairs without it seeing you. Kai, hide in rooms. No. Essence, you might have all of them.
Try guards first.
Oh. Read it and see what it says. So put all of them together.
L. So my head A. Limit.
No. Try to find a word you can spell with that. Somebody has to go upstairs with legs.
Help me.
This room?
Help me.
This room's already empty. Okay, Lex.
I get it to you guys.
What? No!
Doing that.
Guys.
Run. I don't have very high stamina. Ah!
Yeah.
Ah! Oh, it didn't attack me. I'm heading upstairs.
Y'all get to stay in this room.
Ah! Ah!
Shadow.
Evergreen, do something.
Come on, let's go.
He's coming after me.
Come on, go, go, go.
I'm dead!
Come on, guys, go, go, go. Come on.
Wait, which floor is he on now?
He might be going for me, Rock.
I'm heading downstairs.
You do see other distraction.
He's
Oh
downstairs.
no, I can't run
Oh.
anymore. Stand here.
You know, you don't know where it is at first. There's these rooms that we need levers for.
I didn't expect it to be this. No, you guys. Yeah. Okay, I'm not coming.
Pretty sure the lever doors though you have to break through. So we have to make time to break through the doors. The books are just to tell us where stuff is.
Okay, it might be in the dark hallway, so don't go that way.
You have to break one of the doors. Okay, I'm gonna go this way.
Whoever comes. Are you running from the monster room?
No. There's another door. So take the lever and take it to the iron door in the basement. So go all the way down to the first floor. Yeah, guys, I think he's on this floor now.
Thanks, Joel.
No, Essence, I heard him.
I
The
knocked you.
door's there again.
I'm almost done breaking this one.
I'm good.
Come on. Door, you gotta break.
Why did you do it?
I I got through one of the doors. Hey. Put the door back now. I have a lever. Do I have to go to the bottom by myself?
No.
Did you guys get the one lever? Okay. Let's put the levers downstairs. Well, it might be, but we have to do it either way.
So then try chasing somebody else. Just chase them.
But it will still hurt them.
No,
How far away from it can you be for it not to see you?
Bye, peace out. New York.
Hey, everyone left me! You left the rock out there! Don't leave us out there with the monster.
Okay, monster's on you.
Okay, then go.
You must go.
We have to make it to the first floor. Okay, I'll tell you since you guys didn't figure it out. If you put the books in different order, it will say first. Also, the monster cannot be killed. Where is he? Sure. Open one of the doors. I'm gonna go upstairs and see if there's any more. Okay. Okay. The bathroom. Well, then I did find one. There's one in the bathroom. Okay, I got it. Wait, don't break it. Because there's levers. Oh. Sorry. There we go. Go in there. Okay. So either we could go back out the door and go do some stuff, or we could sit in there for a minute. Nope. No, come on. Let's just go find Monster. Where is Monster? Oh, Monster was over there. Monster? Monster's right here. Essence! I can't run anymore! Essence! Help me! I'm right behind you. But I need to go in a room. Ow! Ah! Ow! Ah, he got in the room! Let me in! Why? But guys, I need help! Ow! I locked myself out. He's gonna kill me. Ah! I escaped. Oh, I already went in there. So we don't need to go in there. Yeah. On the second lever. Where is he? Oh, I know knows that he attacked me.
I should have my pet.
You guys ditched me.
I should have my pet fish who can eat them.
What? Oh. Yes?
It's doing. It's doing.
It's trying to get in. That's what's going on. Shadow, don't do that.
Yeah.
Look, you have to be kind of. You have to be. Oh, my coding was wrong. Ow. Help me. Let me in. I escaped last time going in there. You. Ah!
You gotta let it in. What are you
It's coming for me.
Bye, Shadow.
Hey, you're leaving me. Evergreen, will you save me?
No, I'm downstairs.
You guys all ditched me.
Ooh, a room.
Uh,
Yes, he's gonna lead it to us.
no, I'm trying to make it down somewhere. Now, oh look, now Lex is running with. Are you serious, guys? He's right behind me. Ah! Okay, I got in. But he's waiting outside. Lead him away. Lead him away. He's waiting for me to come out. Is he there? He is. Huh.
You got exactly what you deserve.
Why? We're trying to find it. Oh! Oh, I have full stamina. Now I can come to you guys. Yeah, he's on the first floor now. What? We're not on the first floor. We're on the second. But I have to go let him out of the bathroom. I locked him in there, but now I gotta let him out. The bathroom isn't closed. I don't know if he's in there or if he's not. He's not in there. Somewhere else. Yeah, guys, he got out of the bathroom. I found him. Help me. I'm not coming. I'm running away.
No.
I'll lock myself in my own room.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
No, you won't.
If there's already a door open, then I'm gonna go in there. Hi, Lex. Why? Oh gosh. No, don't chase me back downstairs. Oh. He's how far could he track you? I got so far away. Ah, Lex. Lex is the only one closest to me. I'm running wherever I need to, guys. Do you understand? Ah! It didn't work. I was gonna try to hide in a room. See, he's too fast. Oh. Lex, you have to run away. He's gonna come. Oh. I escaped. It's since I had nowhere to go. That doesn't mean Evergreen's big head has to be in danger.
Big old noggin needs to be up here.
Oh, how dare you? Oh wait, now I'm out of stamina again.
So big noggin for a little man.
Where'd he go? Shadow will go see him.
Yeah, we should.
No, I'll just peek so he won't see me. I'll just peek,
You didn't know that.
crouch, and he's not up here. He's probably downstairs. Or, well, we kind of could go wherever we want to go. The kitchen might also have food, which would mean we'd have to go down to the first floor. Oh, no, Evergreen. She's gonna hit me with the sword.
Come on, let's go and get some food. Evergreen. Here. Come on, guys. Let's go get some food.
That means. You see him? You did see him! I trusted you. He can't die.
Just make it back up.
You gotta run out. I don't know where he went. Oh! I don't know if hitting him leads him away. Wait, Mike, go in a room and close it right behind you. He won't get in. He got in. He got in. Run! I'm trying! I also can't run. Wait, Kai, go. We'll go around the other way. I'm going around the other. My. Run around and come over here. Wait, come on. Get in. I was trying to. God. Oh wait, now I'm dead. What did I do? Hey, Evergreen killed me. Oh. It's hard to escape him because he'll keep up with you. I was trying to help you guys get away, but I don't know. I don't know how to get him away from you other than get yourself in a room quick. Oh, wait, turn around. He's coming. Ow! Why am I next? The only thing I know is lock yourself in a room.
Bye. I'm going like this.
No! But I need food. On the first floor. I think I might have lost him. I said there might be food in here.
Oh, my. Sorry.
Sorry, Lexi. Okay. I'm actually sorry. Oh, okay.
I'm gonna starve to death.
You see him? Oh. Come on in, Rocky. Hey, look at that nice Rocky. We got a nice Rocky in here now.
You don't deserve to sit there.
Ah! guys, you put me upstairs with him now. Now I'm leading him.
Let's sleep outside. Come here.
I'm working on a second map with another
Please,
monster. Oh, wait, please take me with you.
I mean, I'm a bold shadowland.
No, I won't. Why would I do that?
Guys, I'm not bold shadowland.
Wait, guys.
I have blocks. Come on, car.
Guys, don't leave me in here with him. Ah, what was that?
Yeah, good.
Is he following me? Oh. Yeah, that's the map that's not done.
Yeah, good.
See, we were just in there.
Would you like to die?
No.
Oh, yes?
No, I said no. Oh, Evergreen can't catch up. So sad. Alex, what is this?
Yeah, sure.
Oh. Yeah, I'm Rock. I'm Rock. Rock! You have to protect me.
Final?
Yes.
So do you escape?
It was supposed to say Final Four, okay? Mm. Well, then I'll put you in this one in a few days.
He tricked us.
I said the Final Four. It was supposed to tell you where you have to escape from. Help me, there's a fat... What? Rock.
I can't sprint.
Yeah,
Ah!
You got another forward, my diamond sword.
I have to make it back. If you kill me, I'll just respawn right there.
That's the point.
Then I'll fall off the roof and attack you for eternity.
You got another forward, my diamond sword.
Ah!
Yay, he killed him.
I have one heart. Legs. Feel the power.
It just gets bigger every day.
Oh, we could record something in our main world.